Hey guys, it's a short vlog today because I'm just showing you what we cooked today in Grandma's kitchen.
Trying to achieve is the one on that comes on top. You understand?
He's almost Grandma's height.
Let's leave it for you.
Almost. In the next 1 year.
Where are you going? You were turning the rice.
Then, hey, this one will pass test. Then, it is nice. Hello, Grandma. I decided not to put too much because of that. Okay,
Thank you. I cannot digest that. What do you have to say to my YouTube channel?
Hi, YouTubers. Hi, viewers. How are you all?
This is my auntie, my mommy's sister.
Compliment
Grandpa. Grandpa is over there eating a pear. Grandpa, any words of wisdom for the YouTubers?
No.
Wow.
Oh, the first.
They've heard about you.
The first time.
Tell them. God is with them.
Okay.
This season.
Grandma said you people should face your work.
And God is with you.
This is what we've
Oh,
done
I've
today.
missed all of them. How are you all doing? I've really missed all of them. I used to participate now.
She did.
This rice is called
I think we're done.
turmeric and broccoli. But I had to add other things just to make it really rich. So there are a lot of veggies, there's shrimp, I started with egg. So it's really protein packed. There's mixed vegetables, lima beans,
Lima beans.
sorry. You know, and it's
Mommy, we're
let
done.
me taste it.
We're done.
Show me tasting it. This is out of the world.
Can y'all hear that sizzle? Sizzle. Oh yeah. Okay, it's done. The people who can digest corn will mix the corn with their rice.
It's okay, there's
Okay. Sup peeps? Yes.
Joshua. Come on, what?
let's go out, okay.
Oh yeah, Joshua, go wash the plate.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
It has been such a long day, y'all. I'm tired. Oh my gosh, I was supposed to do my nails today. I'm tired. That's not going to happen. Excuse you.
No. Right here.
Fine.
What's happening?
Love you, pumpkin.
What's happening,
Look at
y'all?
the camera over here.
What's happening, y'all?